Unleash your potential in 2024 and make it the most productive and successful year of your life. It's time to redefine your goals, sharpen your focus, and take charge of your destiny. This video will guide you through proven strategies and practical tips to maximize your productivity, achieve your goals, and experience unprecedented success in the year ahead. Get ready to make 2024 your year of triumph. Reflect on your goals and aspirations for the upcoming year. Before diving into the new year, it's crucial to take a moment to reflect on our goals and aspirations. As 2024 approaches, let's envision it as a year of unparalleled productivity and success. Start by asking yourself, what do you truly want to achieve? What areas of your life do you want to improve? Take a pen and paper and jot down your goals, both big and small. Visualize your ideal future, imagining the steps you need to take to get there. Consider setting specific, measurable targets to keep you motivated throughout the year. By clarifying your aspirations, you'll pave the way for a focused and purposeful journey toward making 2024 an exceptional year of personal growth and achievement. Set SMART goals to ensure clarity and focus. Setting SMART goals is a crucial step in making 2024 the most productive and successful year of your life. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By following this framework, you can ensure clarity and focus on your goals. Specific goals are clearly defined and leave no room for ambiguity. Instead of saying, "I want to exercise more," try setting a goal like, "I will exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week." Measurable goals allow you to track your progress. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," specify an amount like, "I will save $500 per month." Achievable goals should be challenging yet realistic. Set goals that stretch your capabilities but are within reach with effort and commitment. Relevant goals align with your overall aspirations and values. Ask yourself if the goal will contribute to your long-term success and happiness. Time-bound goals have a deadline, which creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. Set clear timeframes for each goal, such as, "I will complete my online course by the end of March." By setting SMART goals, you can bring structure and purpose to your actions, ensuring that each step you take brings you closer to a productive and successful 2024. Create a detailed action plan to achieve your goals. Creating a detailed action plan is crucial for making 2024 the most productive and successful year of your life. Setting goals is important, but without a well-defined roadmap, those goals may remain just aspirations. To create an effective action plan, start by identifying your long-term goals for the year. Break them down into smaller, manageable milestones that you can achieve on a monthly, weekly, and even daily basis. Next, determine the specific actions required to reach each milestone. Be specific and realistic in your planning, considering the resources, time, and effort needed for each task. Additionally, establish deadlines to keep yourself accountable and motivated. It can be helpful to track your progress regularly, adjusting your plan as needed. Utilize tools such as calendars, task management apps, or project management software to stay organized. Remember to prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. By creating a detailed action plan and diligently following it, you'll maximize your chances of making 2024 your most productive and successful year yet. Prioritize and manage your time effectively. Prioritizing and managing your time effectively is crucial when it comes to making 2024 the most productive and successful year of your life. With so many tasks and commitments demanding your attention, it's essential to have a solid time management strategy in place. Start by identifying your priorities and setting clear goals for what you want to achieve. This will help you stay focused and avoid getting overwhelmed. One effective technique is to break your goals down into smaller, actionable steps. This allows you to tackle them incrementally and prevents you from feeling overwhelmed by the magnitude of the task. Additionally, consider utilizing productivity tools and techniques such as creating to-do lists, using time-blocking methods, and leveraging technology to automate repetitive tasks. Furthermore, it's crucial to establish boundaries and learn to say no when necessary. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and values, and delegate or eliminate tasks that don't contribute to your overall success. Remember to schedule breaks and downtime to avoid burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. By managing your time effectively and prioritizing tasks, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and making 2024 your most productive and successful year yet. Develop healthy habits and routines to enhance productivity. Developing healthy habits and routines is essential for enhancing productivity and making 2024 the most successful year of your life. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can optimize your time and energy, allowing you to achieve your goals more efficiently. Start by establishing a consistent morning routine that sets a positive tone for the day. This could include activities such as meditation, exercise, or journaling to clear your mind and focus your intentions. Prioritize tasks and create a to-do list, ensuring that you tackle the most important and time-sensitive items first. best. Incorporate regular breaks throughout your day to recharge and avoid burnout. Research shows that taking short breaks can boost productivity and creativity. During these breaks, engage in activities that relax and rejuvenate you, such as going for a walk, listening to music, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Create a dedicated workspace that is free from distractions to help foster focus and concentration. Eliminate clutter and organize your digital files and physical materials for easy access. Minimize interruptions by setting boundaries with coworkers, family members, or roommates. Finally, establish healthy habits around sleep and nutrition. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule and prioritize adequate rest to optimize cognitive function and overall well-being. Fuel your body with nutritious food and stay hydrated to maintain sustained energy levels throughout the day. By developing these healthy habits and routines, you can maximize your productivity and make 2024 your most successful year yet. Remember, consistency is key, so make a commitment to stick with these practices and watch as they transform your life. Embrace continuous learning and personal growth to make 2024 the most productive and successful year of your life. In a rapidly evolving world, it's crucial to stay ahead by constantly expanding your knowledge and skills. Allocate dedicated time for learning every day, whether it's through reading books, taking online courses, or watching educational videos. Set specific goals for personal growth, such as acquiring new certifications, learning a new language, or enhancing your soft skills. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you. Attend workshops, seminars, or conferences to network and gain fresh perspectives. Additionally, develop a growth mindset that embraces challenges and sees failures as opportunities for growth. Remember, investing in your personal growth is the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving long-term success. Stay motivated and accountable throughout the year. Staying motivated and accountable throughout the year is crucial to making 2024 the most productive and successful year of your life. To achieve this, start by setting clear and specific goals that align with your aspirations. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks, and create a timeline or schedule to track your progress. Surround yourself with positive influences and like-minded individuals who can support and encourage you along the way. Additionally, establish a system of accountability, such as sharing your goals with a mentor or joining a mastermind group to stay on track and hold yourself responsible. Celebrate milestones and acknowledge your achievements to maintain motivation and momentum. Remember, consistent effort and dedication will pave the way to a remarkable year ahead. In conclusion, making 2024 your most productive and successful year is within your reach. By setting clear goals, managing your time effectively, staying focused, and continuously learning and growing, you can unlock your full potential. Remember to prioritize self-care, maintain a positive mindset, and embrace challenges as opportunities for growth.